Hi there. If you want to create a great looking presentation in just a few minutes, then you can use this AI tool called Gamma.app. And I think this is one of the best, if not the best AI tool for creating a presentation. And basically you can just send a document or tell AI about any topic and AI will create everything from the text, the picture, and also the design of the presentation. And now the company Gamma.app just released a new feature that lets you edit a picture directly inside of the presentation tool. So let me show you how you can edit a picture using Gamma.app presentation tool. So first you can navigate to Gamma.app and then you can log in with your account. And if you don't have an account, you can actually sign up for free using the link in the video description, and it will give you extra credits that let you play around with this tool. Now for this example, I'll try to edit this document. Let's click that. And this new feature is actually pretty amazing because it will actually give you some suggestions about the thing that you might want to edit on the picture. So let's try using or editing this picture. I'm going to click it. And you can click this button, Ask AI to, and then here at the suggested area, there are a few things that you can do based on what AI has concluded from the picture. So you can make it to be brighter, you can add a different color, or you can add some element into the picture. So let's try adding maybe a Spanish flashcard into the picture. And AI will do the work. I don't know about the AI model that is being used to generate or edit the picture, but I believe it is GPT Image 1, which is the same model in ChatGPT, because that model is very popular and able to create a picture or edit a picture with great accuracy. And there you go. So this is the same picture, except there are a few flashcards with the Spanish word in it. So I think that's doing quite a great job. Now I will try to edit another picture. Let's try maybe this one. I'm going to click it. And you can click this, and you can actually do other things other than the ones that were suggested by AI. So you can remove background, upscale, factorize, animate, and many others. But these features are only available if you're subscribing to the Plus or Pro subscription in Gamma.app. But for me, I'm using the free version, so I can only just make some basic modification, but I think that's actually more than enough to make changes for the picture. So let's click chat with AI because I have a custom request. So I want to add a person walking in the middle. Let's add a person walking in the middle. Let's send a message and just wait for AI to edit this picture. And it's actually pretty quick. It will do the editing in just a few seconds and it will apply that to your picture. So that's pretty amazing. It's basically will save you a lot of time and you don't have to go back and forth using Canva or Photoshop just to edit a picture. And there you go. So this is the picture. Now it is not exactly the same picture anymore because again, it is using GPT Image 1, and even though that model is very good at editing a picture, it is not going to be 100% consistent. But for just basic editing, I think it's going to do a wonderful job. So there you go. This is a person walking towards the sun, or maybe blocking the sun. I'm not so sure, but basically there's a person in the middle, and that's exactly what I want. So go ahead, use Gamma.app new editing feature to edit any picture on your presentation. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.